Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing well by God's grace. So today's video will be doing a very interesting moisturizing hair growth deep conditioner. So in there I have okra, I have fennel seed, I have flaxseed gel, I have anise. So I have star anise and I also have clove fenugreek seed. So if you watch my previous video, you will see where I make this okra with star anise and clove for my shampoo, and so I just added a little bit of flaxseed gel. I cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now I'm just going to blend it, as you can see. So I'm just going to pour it inside my blender, everything in there, and just blend it off camera. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. If you are here for the first time, you are also welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. So I blend this off camera and also get out the smoother paste. As you can see, now I'm just going to add my DIY hair growth oil and my DIY hair growth grease. Both are on my channel. So now I have my osmo deep conditioner. You can use any deep conditioner of your choice. So I'm going to be adding this osmo deep conditioner to it. So this is so amazing when it comes to hair growth. So I'm just going to add more to it. You can use any deep conditioner that you like. Just add this to boost the strength and also to boost hair growth as well. Now I'm just going to use my hand mixer to mix everything together. As you can see me doing right now. You can, if you don't have hand mixer, you can use your hand blender, so that anything that can make everything to combine together, just use it, and just use it to make everything to be smooth together, like so. So okra is rich in vitamin A, C and K, and also have calcium, potassium and a lot of other nutrients that are great for our hair growth. It also moisturizes dry scalp and gets rid of dandruff. So okra is so amazing for our hair. Using it as a deep conditioner or as a leave-in, or even making the oil, is so amazing when it comes to our hair growth as well. So I'm just going to continue to mix this now. As you can see, just take your time to mix it and make sure that everything are well combined together, both the grease, the oil and the leave-in conditioner plus the DIY, that everything are just going to be blended very well together. So anise seed in this deep conditioner is going to help to develop new hair growth. It's also good to grow your hair faster at the same time. Anise seed is also good to repair damaged edges, protect them from splitting, and also good for dye damaged hair. So if you dye your hair and it's damaged, it's also good for that. If you really want to get more information about this, just go and watch my previous video. So after blending, like mixing with my hand mixer, this is how smooth it look now. I'm just going to transfer it inside this my container, so I can proceed to applying it to my hair. So you can make this and just apply it to your hair. Just use it to boost your deep conditioner strength, to give it more strength, and also help to contribute to your hair growth as well. So now I'm just going to cover this, then we will just proceed to apply this to my hair. Okay, so here is my hair. If you watch my video where I shampooed my hair, if you have not seen that video, just go and check my description box below. I will leave it there. Just go and watch it. So it's the same thing. After that, I decided to deep condition my hair with this amazing product right here. So this how it's looking like now, as you can see. So I'm just going to continue to apply this to my hair and also to my scalp. Then I will just this product is so amazing and also very moisturizing when it comes to dry damaged hair. Just give it a try and you are going to like it. So I just apply it to my hair like so. I will also use it to massage my scalp. So just keep watching so you can see how you can really use it to get all the benefit that this product can give. So now I'm just going to apply this to the back side of my hair. So I'm going to show you how I will also use this to massage my scalp as if like scrubbing my scalp, but this is going to be a massage so it can open up my pores and contribute and stimulate blood flow in my scalp and also encourage hair growth. As you can see how I am doing it, I'm massaging it in a circular motion that can also contribute to blood flow in the scalp. So if you make this, just try to use it to massage your scalp so it can also help for hair growth and also condition your hair as well. As you can see how my coils are pumping already, so you can see how my hair is so strong after I rinse this out. Just keep watching and then you will see how my hair look when I rinse this out. And also make sure you use this to massage your scalp as well. Massage your scalp very well with this product. So because there are other ingredients that we add to this deep conditioner, this is not just a store-bought deep conditioner. There are other ingredients that we add to this to boost the strength of our normal deep conditioner. So add more if you want and just keep massaging it into your scalp and also on my hair. Okay, so this is just how this conditioner is going to leave your hair when you try it. When you rinse your hair out, your hair is going to be, when you rinse this out of your hair is going to be so strong and very moisturized as well. So now this is how it's looking like now. As you can see, it's so amazing, it's so good. This is so good, guys. This is so good. You have to try it. This is so good. You guys have to try this. So I'm just going to try to do a very light detangle my hair with a white tooth comb. So now I'm just going to put my hair in this fat twist, then I will just cover my hair, then I will put my hair together and use a hairband to put my hair on together. Then I will cover my hair with a plastic cap and allow it to sit for 2 hours. You can do 30 minutes, 1 hour, depends on your time. Maybe you want to go out, you can just make it, depends on your time, guys, just leave it on, depends on your time. So now I'm just going to put everything together just like so, then I will just cover my hair with a plastic a cap, then I will just allow this to sit on my hair for a couple of hours, then we'll be back. So guys, now I'm just going to allow it to sit. I still have a little left. I'll be adding it to my next wash day deep conditioner. So after a couple of hours, this is how my hair is looking like now. My hair is very strong, like very thick. My hair is always thick, but you know, when you use any product on your hair, you are going to see something that the product did for your hair. That is when you know that this product is really working. So it make my hair really strong, and they also moisturize my hair. As you can see, that coils, they are so poppy. Wow, I really enjoyed using this mask on my hair today. So guys, thank you so much for another amazing love that you guys show on my channel. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all on my next one. Okay, bye bye, stay safe, ciao ciao.